What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video on PRINCIPETV. Right now we're about to launch this baby up. I don't know if you guys are ready, but I know I am. Says, are you sure you want to take off? I'm sure it's safe to take off. I got it. Let's do it.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright guys, have fun. Enjoy the view. Well guys, right now we are approximately, as you can see, 165 feet up. This is obviously in the Bronx. Let's turn this baby around and see what it looks like. Let's take it to the entrance of the Bronx Zoo, because that's where we want to go, y'all. And I believe the entrance is right over here. Is that the entrance of the Bronx Zoo? Maybe not. Okay, did I lose the Bronx Zoo here? Which way am I? Maybe it's the other way. Yeah, it's right behind me, y'all. The Bronx Zoo is right over here. There it is. Oh yeah, you guys see it? Let's zoom into that baby. Here's what I love about this drone. You can just zoom into anything, so I'm sure we're gonna have lots of fun going in here. There it is, the entrance. Let's go a little higher. Zoom out. And oh, look at the river. Let me know what you guys think about the clarity. Should I work on the settings here? Let's try putting it a little bit darker. Let's see how it favors it. You think that's better or no? Let's go back to the Bronx Zoo entrance. What do you guys think? Do you like that better? No? Yes? Oh, that is beautiful. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it at that setting because it is very, very sunny out here, guys. Once again, we are right now at 222 feet height. And I went back into the car because I do not want to be outdoors, you know, people passing by and stuff. So right now I'm in the car while I'm flying this baby. And that is the train track right there. That is the 2 and the 5 train. Oh, let's zoom into that. Let's zoom into that. Let's see if we could spot some people in there. Oh, it's hiding already. It's hiding, it's hiding. Let's zoom back out. Beautiful day in the Bronx. And we're about to jump into this Bronx Zoo right now. Oh, look at that beautiful water. I want to go there. Let's yeah, I think I want to enter through the water. I think we'll give it more of a scenery. Yeah, let's move the drone that way, and we'll enter through the water. What do you guys think? Let's do that. Let's move it up, just so that we can have a better view over there. Let's see right here. Yeah, that's much better. Oh, this is beautiful. Para todos ustedes que están como se dice, sintonizados al canal, le doy la bienvenida. Estamos ahora en el zoológico de Bronx Zoo. Mira qué lindo se ve eso. Estoy a punto de entrar para allá. Vamos a ver qué encontramos allá adentro. Con todos esos árboles no sé qué vamos a poder ver, pero me gustaría tomar una foto ahí. Déjame parar esto un momento y tomar una foto. Hey guys, just wanted to inform you that the recording was stopped here due to signal loss. However, I was able to save some pictures that I took there. Let me know if you guys like them. Also, if you want to check out the full video of going into the Bronx Zoo, that is on my YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out. The full video is there and you're able to see everything that they have inside. Well guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Later.